सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Dear devotees, disciples, and first-time visitors, I welcome all of you with my love and respects who are sitting around the world. Please understand, before the starting of the Pada Puja, in 400 cities people were sitting. Now 536 cities people are sitting with us. It is just increasing. The count is increasing. In 536 cities all over the world, people are now sitting with us. I welcome all of you for being here and now. And I'll enter into the Kriya initiation, the N Kriya initiation, invoking the presence of Sadashiva, Shankara, and all the great masters. This whole N Kriya is the gift given to the world by Natha Sampradaya, Maschendranatha and Goraknatha, the Natha Sampradaya, through me. I bow down to all those great masters who created the system of Hatha Yoga, from which I derived this Kriya and experienced it. And I offer my humble respects at their feet and request their presence here and all the places wherever devotees are sitting now to have the initiation. It is they who are offering this to the world through me. Let's enter into the N Kriya initiation by invoking all the great masters' presence. Patanjali, Maschendranatha, Goraknatha, Sadashiva, Shankara, and all the great yogis who happened on the planet Earth. Mahavatar Baba and all the Siddhas who happened on the planet Earth. Vasishtadi, Sabda Rishis. I invoke all their presence. I humbly bow down to their presence. I request all the devotees to sit in Batmasana, Vajrasana, or Sukhasana. Batmasana means completely locking your legs, lotus posture, or sitting on your knees, Vajrasana, or just simple squatting. And keep your hands in Samana Mudra. Please understand, Samana Mudra means the right thumb up and left thumb below. Keep your hands in Samana Mudra. And sit straight. If you can't sit on the ground, you can sit in the chair. If you can, better to sit on the floor. I wanted all of you to know this N Kriya is from my own research and experience with Hatha Yoga, which is from the great sannyasis and masters of Natha Sampradaya, Gorakhnatha, Maschendranatha, and all these great masters. They have created a unique Hatha Yoga Sampradaya by mastering the prana, breath energy, elevating the consciousness to the highest state, superconscious level, which naturally gives health, mental peace, mental wellness, emotional fulfillment, above all, the ultimate conscious experience. All the auspicious things in your life can start expressing in your system if just the pranic level is raised in your system. Innumerable positive side effects can happen in your system through this N Kriya. First, I studied thoroughly, experimented on my own body, and shared it with the small group of seekers in Living Enlightenment Process 48-day program, and then opened it to the public through Inner Awakening program, and then did a scientific research which has proved the power of this Kriya. The mitochondria energy level increases 1300%, 13 times. Within 18 days. Please understand, this research is done by taking the blood sample day 1 and day 18, not even full 21 days. And the doctors and scientists are again confirming, even yesterday we had a discussion, they are confirming in the whole world any available medicine or physical exercise or any therapy can increase the mitochondria energy level only 25%, not more than that. There is no system available on the planet Earth known to the science to increase the mitochondria energy level more than 25%. And here we have increased successfully and proven to the scientific world 1300%. And very soon, this research will be appearing in Indian science journals, and there is going to be a press meet in our Dhyanapeetham where the scientists will be appearing and revealing the exact word they used yesterday is earth shattering. This whole research and the discovery is ground shattering. They said, this is groundbreaking research, Swamiji, earth shattering. And please understand, this Kriya is one of the greatest gift to the world through me by all the great masters. I wanted to very clearly tell the world, this is not my own discovery. I am not claiming it has happened in me. It's a gift from all the great traditional masters of Vedic tradition. I wanted to make it very clear. I did only one thing. I experimented with it in my own system and systematized to create the maximum benefit without any negative side effect to all the human beings of the modern day, and shared that with the group of people in controlled conditions and opened it to the public in a very safe ambience and experimented with this step by step and finally did scientific validation and presenting it to all of you. Only this part is my contribution. Other than that, the basic science, the original truth itself is from the great masters of the Vedic tradition, mainly the great Hatayogis of Natha Sampradaya, Maschendranatha and Goraknatha and great masters. And I should not forget to acknowledge and pay respects to Swami Satyananda Saraswati for the English terms, the technical terms which I am going to use now. The English translation is done authentically by a great yogi of modern day, Swami Satyananda Saraswati. I wanted all their names to be on record. They are all responsible, and I offer my acknowledgement and respects to all of them for helping me to create this N Kriya in this shape and share it with all of you. Mainly, this N Kriya aims at balancing and fulfilling the 5 breathing movements happening in your system. 5 prana movements: prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana. Please understand, as per the Siddha tradition, the air movements are 10. As per the yogic tradition, air movements are 5. But actually, what yogic tradition describes as 5, the same thing only in a little deeper way Siddha tradition describes as 10. So now, with this Kriya, N Kriya, I am working on all the 5 prana movements, life breath movements. Now, 552 cities around the world are sitting with us. It is increasing, increasing, increasing. I really expected 108 cities will sit with us for first day. Now 552 are sitting. Spread all over the world. God. Let me give you the exact process and technical knowledge. You have 5 life breath moments happening in your body. If you already done inner awakening and living enlightenment process, please don't feel bored. I have to explain every step by step to all the new devotees and visitors. So please have patience. But of course, you have a chance to listen once more the basic truths. Prana, air going in. Second movement, air staying in your system. Third movement, from the air, life energy being separated and that being spread all over your body. That is what is called samanaha. Please understand. Samana means the life energy, prana, being separated from the air, the breath, and that life energy, the highest vibration, being spread all over the body, all over the system. Body is also a small word. System is the right word because it penetrates your muscle memory, mind, brain, all parts of you. So, the fourth movement is the air coming out, being released out of your system. The fifth movement is cleaning, apanaha, apana. Please understand. These are the 5 prana movements in your body. These 5 are responsible for your health, mental wellness, emotional fulfillment, pleasure, pain, creativity, dullness, restlessness, peace, finally enlightenment itself. So these 5 pranas, if they are balanced, you live a healthy life. If they are awakened, you live enlightened life. If they are imbalanced or disturbed, that is responsible for physical, mental, psychological, emotional, spiritual disorders. I don't want to use the word diseases, disorders, because it can be again put in order. It can again be put in order. In yogic tradition, there is no disease incurable. There is no disease incurable. Soon, we will do further experiments and prove it to the world. One by one, there is no disease incurable. Second important thing, in the yogic system, not having disease alone is not enough. Raising the consciousness to the highest fulfillment and going beyond the life and death cycle which is being forced on you. See, taking birth and leaving the body is not wrong, but doing the same thing because it is forced on you is wrong. Taking body out of free will, leaving the body out of free will is great. Masters do that. again and again. But doing that same out of forced will is something very seriously wrong. So, that is what we call life and death cycle itself as a one more disorder, samsara chakra. We call it bhavaroga. That itself is one disease. So here, the N Kriya is shared with all of you to get rid of bhavaroga itself, not just small diseases. The small diseases getting healed will be a one effect. But getting rid of bhavaroga itself will happen through this N Kriya. The N Kriya will immediately, instantly balance your Pancha Pranas, the 5 life breath movements. Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samana will be balanced immediately. That's an immediate effect of this N Kriya, and naturally that will lead to physical health and mental wellness, emotional fulfillment, awakening of the non-mechanical parts of the brain, creativity, anti-aging, ultimately the spiritual enlightenment. Please understand. Again and again, the secret Kriya traditions, like Mahavatar Babaji's traditions, Siddha traditions, speak about anti-aging, Kaya Kalpa. First time, scientifically we proved through this Kriya, anti-aging is possible. Doctors were shocked. They say this is the first thing they are saying. The effect of this 1300% of the mitochondria level increasing, the first effect on the body will be anti-aging. The aging process will be stopped because this cell, mitochondria, dies very quickly, letting the body to age, degrade and die. But if this energy, mitochondria cells energy can be increased to that extreme level of 1300%, it is just unimaginable. It is just unimaginable. They are saying, Swamiji, it is a straight process for anti-aging. And I am waiting for more reports, and we will further expand the researches in a deeper way. Now the number says 571 cities. I want all of you to know it is a proper authentic number based on the sign-ups. 571 cities are sitting with us. Around the world, thousands of viewers. So understand, this Kriya is basically to balance the Pancha Pranas, inhaling, holding, spreading, exhaling and cleaning. To balance these 5, and this Kriya mainly aims at increasing the mitochondria energy level of your system and infusing life energy, samana, into your system, so automatically, as a byproduct of this kriya, the Kundalini awakening and levitation will happen. Please understand. This kriya is the essence of the 48-day living enlightenment process I did. Whatever I did spread throughout 48 days. I have condensed. This whole kriya will take only 42 minutes. Doing it twice a day if you can, or once a day is enough. Please understand. If you want only the physical health and mental wellness and emotional fulfillment, doing this kriya once a day is enough. If you want to further explore the siddhis, like a teleporting and telepathy, all other clairvoyance experience, those extraordinary siddhis, I may recommend doing twice a day. If you can do thrice a day, I can assure straight away you will experience the enlightenment. Once a day itself will awaken your Kundalini and make you levitate. Please understand, even if you practice once a day, that will awaken your Kundalini and make you levitate. If you can do it twice a day, it will create deeper siddhis in your body, in your system. If you do thrice a day, it will naturally lead to enlightenment. Now I want to enter into the process. I wanted all of you to know, before launching this kriya, sharing this kriya with the world, I have thoroughly experimented spiritually and scientifically. So it proves, please understand, this 1300% of the mitochondria energy level increasing is for all the 100% of the people who participated in the experiment. Please understand, it is not 90% of the people or 80% of the people, no. Whoever participated in the experiment, all their mitochondria energy level is increased 1300%. Let me describe step by step. This is basically a selection, collection and compilation of various pranayamas and mudras and postures. Pranayamas, mudras and postures. Posture means asana. So, I'll describe step by step. Now, first please listen to the instruction. Then I'll guide you. That time you can do it step by step, one by one. And I'll make this whole thing available in my own voice immediately in YouTube, so you can download and start practicing from today. I can say, I offer this gift of N-Kriya to the world with a deep gratitude to Sadashiva, Mahadeva, Maheshwara, who is our Adi Guru, first master, and Maschendranatha and Goraknatha, who are incarnations of Sadashiva, again came to planet Earth to revive this yogic tradition, and Mahavatar Babaji, who kept this Kriya alive in the planet Earth. So please understand, you are hearing one of the greatest sacred secret. I can say, this is the right title I can give for this N Kriya. Sacred secret. Authentically experimented, experienced, verified and validated scientifically, and now being shared with you all, with the whole world. All the instructions for this Kriya, N Kriya, and how to do, the whole thing will be made available in the internet and YouTube immediately today itself. So all of you can download and practice it every day. Soon I'll be sharing with the world the Yen Yoga, a set of postures for awakening your Kundalini and making your muscle memory in tune with the cosmos. The Yen Yoga will be containing 54 postures. And I'll be sharing with you one more process called Yen Mudra. And the ultimate gift will be the Yen Dhyana, Yen meditation, which will be revealed on Shivaratri day. I bless you all. My blessings to all of you. My blessings, and I thank you all for being part of the greatest spiritual pilot study in effect on the whole cosmos. You will see the in effect on you and the city where you sat and meditated, and on the whole cosmos visibly, instantly from now. My blessings. On you it will be in the form of health, wealth, and auspicious things in the life, like a mental peace and spiritual enlightenment. On your city, it will be like reduction in the crime rate and natural calamities. And on the whole cosmos, it will be reduction in the crime rate, wars, war deaths, and natural calamities. I request all devotees, disciples, viewers to share your experience on nithyananda.org homepage. I request all of you to share your experience and the happening of the N effect in you or in your city, whatever may be the experience, share with nithyananda.org homepage. I bless you all. Let you all, I bless you all to achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, and share the eternal bliss, the N effect, the eternal bliss, Nithyananda. Thank you.